Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another video. I'm Jasmine, your YouTube ads specialist. Do subscribe to my channel to get more updates on how to scale up your business with YouTube ads. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what bid strategy to choose for YouTube ads. But even before you choose a bid for your ad, you need to keep two things in mind. One is you got to be really patient when your campaigns are running, as Google takes about 2 weeks to optimize your campaigns. So for the first 2 weeks, it might not run well. But as Google is learning your campaign strategy, it might take some time to give you good results. And the second most important thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to bid a reasonable budget for your campaigns, because if you're going to bid a lower budget for your campaign, Google will reduce its traffic search. So please make sure that you keep these two things in mind even before you choose a bid for your campaigns. So the 4 kinds of bid strategies that we are talking about is max CPV, maximize conversion, target CPA and target CPM. So let's learn more about these bid strategies, and in the end I'm going to be giving you bonus tips on which is the best bidding strategies to use for your YouTube ads. Bidding strategies are basically the goal of your ad campaigns. So what are these goals? Let's have a look at it. So these are called as our goals of our campaigns. They are basically the categories of ad campaigns that allow you to use certain bidding types. The goals that we usually use for our ad campaigns are leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach. We usually don't use sales, it's because it's the same as leads, and app promotion we use it only when we are promoting an app. Each of these goals allow you to use a certain bidding strategy. For example, when we are using leads as our goal campaign, we click on video and continue. We are only allowed to use maximize conversion and target CPA. These are the only 2 kind of bidding strategies that we can use for a lead goal campaign. Likewise, we have our goal-oriented campaign for website traffic, wherein we can use just target CPA and max conversion, same like leads. And when we are using product and brand consideration goal campaigns, we can just use maximum CPV and nothing else. And for brand awareness and reach, we could use just target CPM. Let's have a look at what these bidding strategies mean. So we are going to get an overview on max CPV, target CPM, target CPA and max conversions. So max CPV bidding strategy is maximum cost per view, wherein you are going to bid a maximum amount you're willing to pay per view. In this bidding type, Google's main goal is to get you more views for the daily budget that you have set. So what do you mean by view? View is someone who watches your ad for 30 seconds or more. This bidding strategy works well for branding campaigns. Usually it targets smaller audiences and gives you faster results. And make sure whenever you are using maximum CPV bidding strategy, you need to use exclusions, or else your ads will be shown up in low quality channels like kid channels, music channels, meditation channels, wherein people are not really watching your ad. They usually let your ad keep playing on their channels even without watching it. So if you do not use exclusions for this bid strategy, you will be targeting a lot of low quality views. However, we have seen that maximum conversions works better than maximize CPV these days in our campaigns. Now let's have a look at what max conversion bidding strategy is all about. So in this bidding strategy, Google's goal is to get you most of your conversions for the budget that you have set for the day, usually used in new ad accounts. And in this bidding strategy, you can generate more conversions without exceeding a campaign's daily budget. For example, if your daily budget is $50, Google will make sure that it spends wisely all your budget to give you most of the conversions for the day. There is another conversion bidding strategy that we usually use is target CPA. Google's goal over here is also to give you the maximized conversion, but not necessarily spending all of your daily budget. Target CPA bidding strategy is usually used for old accounts and for long-term results. And one thing you need to make sure for target CPA bidding strategy is you need to set a high bid for Google to give you the best conversions. For instance, if you bid $10 per conversion, Google is not going to work hard to bring you these conversions and might perform really slow, as it understands that you cannot get your conversions for $10. And sometimes if you bid as low as $10 per conversion, it might even stop working. So make sure that you have a reasonable bid for target CPA of around $50 to $60 per conversion. And finally, we have target CPM as a bidding strategy used for campaigns with brand awareness and reach goal. Target CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions and is a bidding strategy solely based for impressions. This bidding strategy is used more for branding, as it optimizes to reach maximum audience for lesser cost. In most of our campaigns, we usually use maximize conversion or target CPA as our bidding strategies. And target CPA seems to be outperforming maximize conversions sometimes, as it gives us better conversions and cheaper leads. However, maximum conversion works well when you have limited time and budget to get more leads into your funnel, and you know that your website is also running really well, as maximum conversions spends your daily budget faster than target CPA, and target CPA takes longer time to run and adjust to the algorithm. As I said before, maximum conversion works well with new ad accounts or new campaigns to give you enough conversions. Once you have enough data, which takes around 10 to 15 days, it's best that you switch to target CPA bidding strategy, because this strategy gives you lot more control to inform Google how much we can bid per conversions. We sometimes get conversions using target CPA much lower than the daily budget that we have set for the campaign. You can also use maximum conversions when target CPA campaigns stop spending, as this bidding strategy will help you run the campaign and get conversions, which can adjust the algorithm back to normal, after which you can again switch to target CPA. So these are the 4 bidding types that we use for running a YouTube ads campaign. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions on these bid strategies, please feel free to comment below and I'll be answering to all your questions. And guys, like and share my video and subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.